Hello, it's Kurt with Ohio Gentleman Arms, and today we're going to be looking at the model 1095 High Point firearms chambered in 10 millimeter. I'm going to be doing a little reliability test. We're going to throw it in the snow and see how it holds up. It's getting pretty warm today. It's 10 degrees. It's up quite a bit from earlier this morning when it was dark. Alright, today we're going to be doing a reliability test on the High Point model 1095. It's chambered in 10 millimeter. We'll be shooting are they 180 grain full metal jackets. So Garand Thumb recently did a reliability test on a bunch of different types of firearms, but you know, he forgot about one of the most important ones. So we are gonna do it now. All right, let's get to it. So first thing, just throw it down. Just to be extra double safe, I'm gonna make sure the barrel's not plugged up. Okay. So, we're good. Well, there we go. Make it extra better. That wasn't part of the test, but now it's in there. All right. Well, it charged. Seemed to work all right. Walk back. Everything seems to be fine. So, oops, can't see. As you can see, High Point firearms, reliable.